If I had wings like a butterfly, I would not flown from this my trouble. Hey, someone to
So why? Buame. Now I'm buame. I'm a bad baby.
Madam, I'm sorry. I'm sorry.
Are you here? What's wrong?
Me go to you na pouch we. And I would come any masses. Whoa, me find you the Pierada. Now, who shouldn't told the Pierada? Now, that kite, the Audi.
Take your drugs yesterday?
No.
What about the injection?
Next said I should wait.
Really?
Yeah.
I'm sure she'll be with you soon.
Doc. Information reaching me indicate that you've been nominated for the Best Nurse Award. However, I haven't got the official invitation yet. And as soon as I get hold of that, I'll organize a deba and inform the general staff.
Wow.
How do you feel?
Very good, Doc.
Great.
Doc, thanks. I would like to actually go and continue what I was doing before.
But make sure you carry on with the good work.
Sure.
All right.
Why are you speeding? And where are you taking me to? The couple is empty.
Give me my shoe! 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 Hey! Hey! Hey!
What is wrong?
She's in there, right at the door.
I don't see anyone there.
She's there.
Jane, You're taking this too far. Are you not coming?
Tom!
She's not a human being, she's a spirit. I saw her. I don't know what she wants from me. She wants to hunt me down. I don't know what to do.
It's okay. There's no one here. It's just a dream.
Devil pestering my life. Good day, stop pursuing me! I hate you! I hate you! Go to hell where you belong!
Daddy! That's it! Daddy!
Stop.
Embarrassing the lady. What did you say?
What are you saying?
Man, I am surprised at what you are saying. Jane is one of the most responsible nurses we have in this staff, and no one has ever come to complain about her work.
Doctor, I know what I'm saying. Even my little boy was yelling. He ran, I had to grab him.
This is absurd. All right, excuse me. Is that Jane? Yeah, see me in my office immediately. Right. Look, I want you to take a close look at it. See that one? You may go. I'll call you later. You may go. Thank you.
Not this one, doctor.
You see? Good afternoon, staff.
Good afternoon, sir.
Well, this meeting will be brief. But the good news is that our hospital has been recognized as the best hospital in terms of performance and delivery. In addition to that, one of our hard-working nurses has been nominated for the award of the best nurse. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my singular honor to introduce Miss Jane Cooker as the nominee for the best nurse award. Miss Jane, this is your invitation. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Now, Jane, the floor is yours to make a comment or two.
No! Not again! No! Go! Ah! Go! Go!
What's the problem? Calm down. Calm down. Calm down, Jay.
I'm sorry, yes, I'm okay. Sorry about that.
intend to temptation me.
What's wrong?
Hey, no. Hey, you are temptation me. Oh. Monster. No, So you came here to eat me up? Go! Hey, don't look at me, don't look at me. I said go! I can't. Hey! I don't have anywhere to go. Hey! Go! Monster! Hey! If you don't go, I will call the police to arrest you. Eh? I will commit suicide and die. To the one and die, I will face you. Go! Out! Hey! Shh! Hey! If I commit suicide and die, I have the nonsense to do that, and I will get power to face you. Hey! Diego, have they gone? Diego, have they gone? Yes. Hey!
What's all this?
Miss Jane, I must confess, you have been very impressive, and I am proud of you.
Congratulations.
Thank you.
Did you all see it?
Yeah. I mean, she performed incredibly, and I must say, she's outstanding among the rest of the contestants.
No! Didn't you see anything else?
I saw it. She must be a witch.
Oh, come on.
Yes, with a big hand of applause, let's invite our sister Jane to give us a very short word. Yes.
To her. She's been torturing me since that day.
Who?
Good day. The woman that brought the little child for free treatment. She's been appearing anywhere that pleases her and embarrasses me as well. Even at the interview and at the party. I don't know. She has played he's a curse on me.
Oh, I understand, you know.
You do?
Huh?
Is there anyone that understands me? I thought everyone thinks I'm a witch.
Jane, I do understand you. Will you want me to give you some help? Okay, then see me after work tomorrow and I'll send you somewhere. That's all right. Hello, Jane. Jane, I have a little problem with my car at the moment. The fitters are working on it. So you just give me some time. I'll be with you soon, please. Jane? Yes, the fitters are desperately working on it. All right. So, my friend, how long will it take?
It will take you like around 4:30 to 5.
4:30 to 5?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, you hold on. I'll call you. Why 4:30 to 5? I mean,
we are now detaining them for that one.
You go on. Jane, you know what? I'm going to abandon the vehicle and then pick a taxi. So just wait. I'm coming. At the runabout. Yes, I'll come. I'll come and meet you. All right. Okay, my friend. You make sure that by the time I return, everything is fixed.
No problem. I'll do that.
All right. I'll be with you. Jen, I'm on my way. I'm in a hurry. I'm going to meet my friend who's been waiting all this while. So fly! I want you to fly. Come on, let's go. Speed, why? Mommy, speed, Kakra. My friend has been waiting since morning. Is that all the driving you can do?
Mr. Police, for no much over speed, you have a tremor.
The police themselves, they will understand that I'm in a hurry, so...
Master, I have my mission for cow floor. Because me to go speed the police.
Oh,
yeah. I have a tremor, I send it over. Moment, accident, no. I send it over.
Jane, I'm in a taxi, I'm coming. Yes. I'm coming. The driver is not speeding at all, but you just hang on, I'm coming. Very soon I will be with you, thank you. Driver, this you're driving. This is presidential ride. I'm not interested in this kind of ride. Do you see what I see? Driver, stop that one. Driver, I beg you, do you see what I'm seeing?
Officer, I'm going to
driver, I beg you. You stop, stop, driver, I beg you. Thank you, driver. involved in this. Good morning, woman. So it was Don't get me involved. No. Look, I've changed my mind. I don't want to be part of this thing anymore. I almost died. I almost died. No. So it was only a dream.
What can I do for you?
I'm looking for Good Day. I can't understand why she won't leave me alone.
Oh, please. I want to apologize for the embarrassment the last time, please.
Better. Are you sure you want to see her?
Yes, I have to.
Follow me. She's on the 2nd floor.
But this is not a story building.
Follow me till we get inside.
need your help. I need something that can kill rats. I mean, a poisonous substance.
Why? Do you want to kill someone?
No. I want to kill myself. I want to end it all.
Sorry, I can't help. Why do you want to kill yourself?
You don't understand.
Hi.
Hi.
I want to talk to you.
I'm sorry, I don't want to talk to you.
Just give me audience. I want to say you're beautiful.
Thank you. Are you still following me? Please, leave me alone.
Hey, Ghost! Hey!
I will do them, them. Hey. I will do them, them. Miss, I will do them, them. I will do them, them. Chay! Welcome to the solution of your problems. The devil you know today, you shall know no more. Come! Jay! I want to them. I see light. Jay! I see evil. I see darkness. Jay! Look into my eyes. Jane, what do you want?
Why have you decided to neglect me in times of crisis?
Oh no, don't talk.
Are you taking me there or not? Because I'm ready to kill if you decide not to take me there.
Oh, calm down. I'll take you there. Let's go. I'll take you there.
There is a shadow over you.
The shadow of death.
You had a quarrel with someone.
No, I did not have quarrel with anyone.
You got her angry. When you put her into shame, that is the spirit of death.
Spirit of the dead?
Yes! Spirit of the dead. Ubeka I say, Hosum die, no one go for the door. Etifa ko, the ko. Sadano, and I'm born in the bedroom. My mother say, how I could sit down with you.
God, what am I going to do?
Sacrifice.
What kind of sacrifice?
Blood sacrifice.
Do you think that is easy?
Where do you wait?
The blood of either a dog or a cat will do.
Cat?
Or a dog?
Moja.
Blood!
Yeah. That will be a production. Presents Animguasie. On a different baby editor, can you help me now? Me and moi que c'est bi. I'm be pursued by the shadow of death. Every day, every day.